Cladco woodgrain-effect composite decking tiles and artificial grass tiles offer the easiest and quickest ways to achieve a new, low-maintenance decking and garden area. Using a simple click system, Cladco decking tiles and artificial grass tiles are quick and easy to install when compared to standard decking boards and real turf. Cladco woodgrain composite decking tiles give you the flexibility to create a new decking area in no time at all, as these tiles can be arranged for varying designs and layouts to suit your project. Cladco composite decking tiles are available in 4 colours with a superior wood grain effect surface that replicates high quality timber decking. What's more, these composite decking tiles are low maintenance and do not need to be sanded, varnished or stained. Cladco artificial grass tiles feature a thick, realistic grass pile that can be blended in with additional Cladco grass tiles to form a long-lasting, low-maintenance garden. Each Cladco composite decking tile and artificial grass tile measures a large 600 by 600 mm square, providing 4 times as much coverage as the average decking tile on the market. At a height of just 17 mm, Cladco composite decking tiles provide a shallower design when compared to other decking tiles on the market. On the base of each Cladco decking tile and artificial grass tile is a rigid plastic mesh which allows for water to effectively run through the base. Due to the composite makeup of the tiles, consisting of 60% recycled hardwood fibres and 40% recycled plastics, tiles are insect and pest resistant. Cladco composite decking tiles and artificial grass tiles are extremely versatile, with applications including balconies, patios, marquees, rooftops, urban and rural gardens. Purchase Cladco heavy-duty weed mat to keep unwanted plants from growing through the base of Cladco decking tiles.